Hi, my name's Leah. I joined Leansquad just shortly after Christmas, right at the start of the new year. So I'm currently halfway through phase 4, and I have nothing but positive things to say about Leansquad. It's been such a positive thing for me. I went from playing competitive rugby. I stopped playing due to a bunch of injuries, and I found it really hard to get in the gym and work out and stay motivated kind of after I was done playing. Also, just, sometimes life gets in the way. You get busy, you stop prioritizing yourself and your health, and that's kind of where I was at, and Leansquad was kind of just what I needed to get back in the gym and get back to feeling how I was before. Not only have I achieved physically the results that I was looking for, so I've lost about 30 pounds now, and I've definitely gotten a lot more toned. I've leaned out. But in addition to that, I just feel better mentally as well. I have a lot more energy. I'm a lot more motivated, and it's been one of the best decisions that I've made. So Phil's been great. He's always there for support, whether it's answering all your questions via text, sending you everything via email. It just makes it really easy, and he definitely sets you up to be successful. So if you're kind of wavering and you're not sure if you should join, just do it. Take the plunge, hit submit. My biggest regret is just not doing it sooner, because I've really enjoyed the workouts. I've really enjoyed the meal plans. The food's awesome. The workouts are also quick. They're super intense, but they're quick, so you can get them in. I have a pretty busy schedule, so I can usually get in the gym and get my workout done with a warm-up in 45 minutes, and then I can kind of get on with my day. So I would really encourage you, if you're looking for something new, something exciting, something that you want results, and just to make you feel better, I would definitely consider doing Leansquad. So thank you.